Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel MPPSC Online Classes. Today in this 10th lecture of River System of India, we are studying the second and the third river which are the east flowing river of the peninsular India. In the previous lecture, the ninth lecture, we have studied about the Mahanadi river and now we will learn about the two more rivers which drains in Odisha region. First is the Subarnarekha river. इस रिवर के नाम को हम दो चीज में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. सुबर्न विच मीन्स गोल्ड एंड रेखा मीन्स लाइन. ओके, दिस रिवर ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम झारखंड नियर पिस्का नागरी एंड देन flows for about nearly 10 kilometer in West Bengal and then flows in Odisha and drains from Odisha. The length of this river is 395 kilometer. Now, talking about its drainage, this river drains into the Bay of Bengal as all the east flowing river drains in the Bay of Bengal. It makes its delta near Talsari. Sorry, it doesn't make its delta, which is its exception. ये क्या बनाती है? एस्चुरी बनाती है. किसके डेल्टा के बीच में? गंगा रिवर डेल्टा पे और महानदी रिवर डेल्टा के बीच में. एस्चुरी क्यों बनाती है? क्योंकि ये रिवर फ्लो करती है रिफ्ट वैली में. इस रिवर के हम कोई इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रिब्यूटरीज की बात करते हैं तो वह है दुलांग, कांची, खरकई एंड करकारी. The most important fact about this river is that Hundru waterfall, 98 meter in height, is situated on Subarnarekha river. Now, we will look about some of the dams or the projects present on this river. The one is Gital Sot Reservoir, which is present in Jharkhand near its capital Ranchi, and other is the Subarnarekha Multipurpose River Valley Dam. This is the river Subarnarekha which drains through Odisha. Now we will study about the another river which is the east flowing river and which entirely flows in Odisha. The name of this river is Brahmani river, or we can call it as Birbhum. It originates from Rourkela. Rourkela is a place which has a mythological importance which is related to Vedvyas. It origins with the confluence of two rivers. One is the Shankar river and other is the South Koil. When these two rivers merges with each other and forms the Brahmani river. The length of this river is around 480 kilometer and together with the Baitarani river, it's one of its tributary. Two tributaries of this river are Kharsoon and Baitarani. With Baitarani river, at last, it forms a delta entering the Bay of Bengal near Dhamra. Okay. The other important fact about this river is that the Bitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in the river Brahmani delta. The next thing, the cities on this river are Talcher and Dhenkanal. Now, we will study about some of the projects on this river. The only important project on this river in Odisha is the Ringli Dam. These are the two east flowing river. In the next lecture, we will cover about the Godavari river, which is the most important river after the Ganga in India, and then in the further sections or in the further videos, we will cover our river Krishna and river Kaveri. If you like the video, hit the like button. If any queries, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.